We are back with Today Food, and we're also back with America's most beloved football mom, the one and only Donna Kelce. We should put you on the payroll here. I feel like it's like every few weeks now. She's one of our favorite guests, and of course also the mother of NFL icons, Travis Kelce, a fellow named Jason Kelce. But this morning, Mama Kelce sharing the holiday recipe that those boys crave the most. Her go-to that pleases the crowd every Thanksgiving. You can get it by scanning that QR code at the bottom. Donna, good morning again to you.
Good morning.
Thank you for.
How you doing?
I'm great.
This is good.
I'm having a pretty decent day.
Awesome. These are very easy, and I have done these with some of my grandchildren, so it's really kind of cool.
And what are they called?
They're called Mama Kelce's crescent rolls, but basically this was a 1969 winner of the Pillsbury Bake Off contest.
Okay.
And so it's called crescent roll. Magic Marshmallow Puffs.
Wow.
So that's what it's called.
Okay.
You can find it on Pillsbury.com.
And they're pretty simple to make.
Yeah, they are. They're real easy. I mean, you can do this with your children. You put a little bit of flour in.
You already had some sugar in there.
A little bit of cinnamon. Sugar's in here.
All-purpose flour?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Put that in there.
Yes, ma'am.
You take a marshmallow. Would you like to do one with me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. We do this.
Put the marshmallow in the butter? This is just melted butter?
Melted butter.
Okay.
Put it in the cinnamon sugar mixture.
Okay.
And then you start at the short end of the crescent roll. It is. And you just roll them up like this.
I can see why your grandkids love this.
Yep.
What's the word over there, ladies and gentlemen?
Yeah. And then you just kind of put all the sides together, dip it in the butter.
Again, dip it back in.
And put it right in the tin. And you need to you need to use muffin tins on this.
Okay.
It gets a little sticky, but they're really, really fun. And then you do the glaze. Powdered sugar glaze, powdered sugar, milk.
Just regular
vanilla.
Okay.
Vanilla.
Okay.
Get this going. Do this.
What happens to the marshmallow? It like disappears. It's like
look at this. It's inside. It's hollow.
It does.
Inside.
It gets clear.
Yeah.
Gets clear.
It's not you bite in it. There's a big marshmallow. It just goes into the crescent roll.
Yes.
Bite. It's
Yeah.
Really
That's
awesome.
magical.
Yeah.
You could actually try it, Greg. You'll like more filling.
I'm gonna try.
Okay, you might
Mama
want to
Kelce,
drizzle.
do you serve this for dessert or?
I bring it for Thanksgiving and Christmas, and it's just kind of a fun addition to any holiday dinner. I've also made them just for sitting around watching television too.
It could be a good breakfast roll.
I know, it's really fun.
Coffee cake.
Yep.
How long do you bake it when you throw it in?
It's at 375 for 12 to 15 minutes, so it doesn't take long.
Oh.
Put some nuts on top.
Surprise. But you're right, the marshmallow just
Goes away. It's gone. It's like a whole.
So
really good. What else do you cook with your grandkids?
I'm sorry, Pipe.
What else do you cook?
Okay, with 5 and 3 and 1, it's not a lot.
Yeah. You're right.
What are you doing for Thanksgiving?
I am going to be at a football game. Travis is playing the day after Thanksgiving.
That's
right.
Football is always the holidays. It's football's family.
So are they doing Thanksgiving a big dinner or?
Not that anything's planned.
Yes.
I think we're just going to be at the football game, so we're doing that.
Has Taylor had one of these crescent rolls, one of the rolls yet?
I don't think so.
Not yet?
No.
But you would give her some?
Absolutely.
Okay, all right. Are we going to see her at Thanksgiving?
I don't think so.
Okay.
She's kind of busy right now. She still has her tour to do.
That's true.
Yeah.
So good to see you.
It's good to see you, too.
Come back anytime.
Thanks, Mama Kelce.
Thank you.